Hey YouTube, Jason here with DayTradingFearless, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. And as always, let's jump right into it. If there's any background noise, I apologize. I'm at the office, aka I trade from Starbucks. So and for anybody who's looking to kind of trade and want to be able to know if you could trade from Starbucks, yes, I do it every day, all day. So, so just a little helpful hint. So the Wi-Fi is good enough to be able to trade from a Starbucks. I hardly ever have any issues. So, okay, so let's jump right into it. So in today's video, we're going to discuss how I set up the stochastics on my 1 minute chart using ThinkorSwim. So if you're a ThinkorSwim person, hopefully this will help you to set up your stochastics. And if you use another platform, you could kind of use the same settings. So what I'll do is I'll go to Studies, Edit Studies. I'll look for stochastics, right? I use fast stochastic, so it's right here. Okay, and then if you click on the little wheel wrench, usually it defaults to I believe 14.9 or something. What I do is I put my K period to 9 and the D period to 3. My overbought, oversold are 80 and 20. I leave everything else the same. Okay, simple. Close, low, high, breakout signal, no. And then for my K, I actually uncheck all these right here. Okay, and then my D, because this is only the D3 period that I want to see, I just select the show bubble, which is this bubble here, and then the show plot. And by showing this plot is this line. If I actually add the K, watch what will happen. You'll now see both of the lines, right? So again, I don't care about the K, it's just information that I don't use. So select that, click apply, and now you only have the one line. Okay, as far as overbought, I select my color, and that's these levels: overbought, oversold, 80, 20, right, which are these numbers. Show plot, oversold, again, show plot. The width is how thick do I want the line. I keep my lines at one very thin. And then up signal and down signals, I just leave these on, but even though they don't show because it says show breakout signals, no, so it automatically defaults to not showing them. So once you're done, you could click OK if you want to save these settings. So every time you pull up the stochastic, select Save as Default. Okay, so we're going to just here. We're going to click cancel. But now, if you ever want to share this, just come over here. Okay, the stochastic, but right here you can't share it because this is part of ThinkorSwim's code, so it's already on there, so there's really no code to share. But normally, if you want to share, there would be a share button. Give you an example right up here for my waterfall trade code. Right here is the share. You would just click on that, share, and then there's a link. You would just paste that link into into your web browser to be able to pull this up. So again, this is how to set up the fast stochastics on the 1 minute chart using ThinkorSwim, and this is where I look for my divergent trade setup, something like this, right? If you haven't seen my divergent 1 minute trade video, check that. Go to my videos and you will see it right there. Very, very powerful tool. But as always, thank you for watching. Until next time, we'll talk to you soon.